McDonald's Playplace in Columbus, Ohio.
I know what's in there.
It goes up there, but
Me and Dave put down. Whoa! Me and Dave put down this. What's what? I don't care. Go anywhere. I'm going this way.
there's a window.
Are you following guys?
I'm not trying to.
Don't go. I'll tell you what. Stop. You.
Here's this part. Someone must have just turned on a Pokemon Go, by my guess. So by the sounds of it, someone's trying to find a Pokemon in McDonald's. I don't think they activated the McPokestop / McPoke Gym. This is the Hangy Ridge thing, which is a bit hard to cross for me. I have approached the hanging helicopter. They have these two blue wheels. There's something similar to the one in Streetsboro, Ohio. I'll go on over to the slide, which is that thing. It's got a small bumpy thing on its way. Up there's a top tube. I'll show. Seems to be a pretty big Playplace in here. Streetsboro has one of these things too. It's just another one of those crossy bridges. It's just down that way. I'll go back this way so I can get to the slide. Gotta go down the thing. Just about one more. Two more of that. There we go. Up to the slide. And there's the slide. And there's this little cross bridge. So yeah.